Shh, shh. Wow, raining. I'm not joking. Screen glitch, screen glitch, screen glitch.
That side, no.
What is screen this side? I said no.
Doors are closing.
I said see door closing first, I'll allow you. Screen glitch.
Next station, Sembawang.
665
Oh, not that train again. The devil train.
No bilingual.
It's normal. You should have a bilingual announcement, but it's normal. Not yet. After this crossover.
What's over there?
Oh, it's one more now. Allow you crazy. One more time, feel on the face, huh? Slowing down.
Wait, does it mean this train will get muddy?
No, this is the lucky one. This service is lucky set and lucky service. Okay, train slowing down soon.
Service 215 6868.
And train will be stopping. I remember, I know, right?
Yeah. Train will slow stop.
My neighbor from home. It's my neighbor. My neighbor. Yeah, my neighbor right there. Yeah, stop as my neighbor.
This train has stopped here for a system test. It will depart shortly. For your safety, please stand clear of the doors. This train has stopped here for a system test. It will depart shortly. For your safety, please stand clear of the doors.
Yep. Yeah. Skip will drawing on the okay, next one will be A. The next one will be 7A. Yeah, I think we're like Smrt, okay? We're like Smrt. Skate you go cut to your grandma, so we're like skate to tell your grandma, so we're like Smrt.
A3 then.
No, we're still taking A3, but after after two more rides of the train. Huh? Meaning what? I guess can't cook over so it's by not really
Sembawang.
Yeah, somehow I tricked the driver. I had to trick the staff. god. Okay, let's see.
The machine does not have this problem, you know. Do you notice it does not have a problem?
What?
It does not have the door opening problem.
They fix it.
Only this train does not have a problem.
Yeah.
Without getting on.
Oh yes. So we can get off here. Maybe for go.
If you want to go, then we go to the other side.
No. We are like Smrt.
Obviously, the next train is your favorite.
Okay, let's go. Yeah, it is. It's left. There's that. Come.